So we're here in 43 Station Hotel. Say hi, Lydia. Yeah, that's Lydia. It's just gone midnight here, I think. Is it? Yes. It's basically after midnight. It's 12:30. It's 12:30, Lydia. So let's do a little room tour. Got a nice big long mirror here. It's not like, well, like Lydia's not going to do anything embarrassing here. Okay, so this is a double room. You see, you've got a nice big comfy bed, and we've got just the usual stuff. We've got an open wardrobe, and we've got our stuff unpacked for Milan. Got a few drawers down there for your other stuff. And over here, you've got your safe, just the usual PIN number that you put in yourself. There are a couple of plastic cups here, and there's a water dispenser just outside the room, which is really good. We've got a little fridge here. You might be able to see, but yeah, there is a fridge. There's a bad light on this one. We're just charging up. We've got a big screen. I suspect we probably just have like BBC News or something. We do have this, which you'll be able to see. It's a balcony. It's very hot out here. It's a nice big church over there. We'll check it out in the morning. And finally, we've got, if there's one thing that the Italians do really well, is their bathrooms. So here's our bathroom. We have the standard bidet, as to be expected, and toilet, some towels, towel rack, lots of nice toiletries actually. You see them here, really nice, and quite a stunning shower. As you can see here, plenty of room in that shower, and little shower caps down there. So all in all, a really nice room. The boys are downstairs in a similar room, but it's definitely time for bed. 11:30 UK time, 12:30 Italian time. Okay, do you want to say night?